Okay, she got on every single night, and I don't want that.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel, and in today we're just gonna be finishing off the last Unity video we did 2 days ago, was it? I think, yeah, we're just gonna be finishing off that because we need to add some little changes to that episode of the video. So yeah, we're just gonna do that. It's gonna be a short video today, and then in the next video, in the next Unity video, we are actually gonna be letting our character drive around and move. So yeah, so I already have Unity opened. I just wanted to give us a head start in this video. So yep, go ahead and open Unity and your video, not video, your game, and then yes, go and just do nothing. Once you've done that, I'm just going to show you something like the script we did. So don't open up your script. I'm just going to show you something. We're doing no changes to the script, but in the last video, yeah, we made these changes. So we wrote these like couple lines, these 7 lines. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, yeah, 11 lines. We wrote 11 lines of code in the last video, and I'm just going to show you what because these all are a class. So these, you're probably wondering what these lines mean. These lines are like wheel collider for left wheel is like one of the wheels. So the wheel collider for the left wheel is here. Wait, I'll go back to our game. So the wheel collider for the left wheel is if you go to the sample scene right here, and if you uncollapse player, you will see front left collider. So this is what we're talking about. This is where the script comes in. So it's the left wheel, and it's also the back left wheel. So that's what the left colliders mean. And the right collider, I think that was right wheel. Yep. Wheel collider, right wheel. So those are the back and front right wheels. So these are the right wheels, right in here, and one here at the back. So there is just the wheels. So that's all it. And yeah. So then you're like so now all we're gonna do in this video is we're just gonna make like it's not going to change anything in our game. Our game is all going to be the same, so don't worry. But all we're going to do is hit player, and then the first thing you want to do not do anything here. All you got to do is press on player, and then go up to here to this lock where my cursor is, and press that. So now it's locked, so we can't do like any changes, like because we're gonna be dragging one of these front wheel colliders to here. So yeah. So now once you've locked it, please lock it or it's gonna mess up your game. Now all you want to do is you want to go to controller script and uncollapse, and you want to uncollapse axles, and you're gonna see max motor. I can't say this word. Actually, you know what? One sec. I've had enough, man. I've had enough. I'm going to Google Translate to see what this word means. Translate. Oh my god, okay. Wow. Okay, I spelt it wrong, but whatever. Google Translate, surely. Thank you. How'd you spell it? Okay, got it. Come on. There we go. Okay, torque. Yes. Okay, max motor torque. That's how fast the wheels go. Thank you. I can say torque now. Oh, it's torque. Okay. Max steering angle is how much the steering wheel can spin. So, yep. We're just going to keep these at 0. But the size is how much wheels there are. So there's 2 wheels, like on each side, so that's what it means. So we're just gonna have 2 wheels, and then press enter. Once you've pressed enter right there, it's gonna show up with element 0 and element 1. You're gonna uncollapse both of them. There we go. And all you're gonna do here is you want to just get, this is why we locked our thingy, the player thing inspector. You want to get the front left collider and put it in the element zero left wheel. So there we go. And then you want to get the front right collider and drag that to the element zero right wheel, and you're going to tick both motor and steering. I'll show you why we are ticking these in a second. And then what you're going to do in element 1 is you want to get the back left collider and put it in the element 1 left wheel, and then put back right collider and put it in element 1 right wheel. And then you're just going to tick motor for this one. And that's it. So, yeah, why we tick motor and steering, why we tick both these motors are because if we have these two wheels running and these two wheels, it's going to make our car a lot quicker and faster. If we have just this one, only these front two wheels are going to be spinning all the time, and these won't. These are just going to be pushed, so they won't be really fast. If you we're not gonna have steering for this one, so like it would look really weird because you won't see a car on the street like in real life, and when this wheel turns, like for steering, if you turn the wheel here, and the wheel, you know how the wheel at the front always turns like to the right or left? You don't see the back ever turning. The back is always straight, but it's following the front wheels wherever it goes. So if we tick this, when we do our video tomorrow, no, not tomorrow, like in a few days when we are making our car move, when it's gonna look super funny, but whenever these wheels go to the right, for the left, for example, these wheels will go with it, so it's gonna go horrible. So don't do that. I would just tick this one, so motor and steering and motor, so it doesn't look all weird. So just tick these two and just this one. And really, that is all I had to show you, but make sure to save your game before you do anything. Bang. I'm insane. And close this. We did nothing. And there we go. So that is it for today's video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to share. And I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.
Okay,